Hey attentioners, it's Alma again. So today we are going to be doing a quick makeup look with some red eyeshadow, reddish lip color. Just to start off, moisturizing, I am going to use just some chapstick. I'm just going to use my regular Loreal, finish it off, just that much. Okay. After that, I'm going to be going in with Prep Prime. Looks like that. It's kind of like a pink color. Next, we're going to start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay primer. And just put it on there. I'm just using my finger. So I just have a couple of brushes that I will be using to blend. To start off, I'm going to be using my FRIDA KAHLO eyeshadow palette. Start off, I'm going to start with the color Perla. Looks like I like this palette. It's very pigmented, which I think it should, because I mean it is FRIDA KAHLO. My eyebrows need help, but we're working with what we got right now. I'm gonna be doing one eye at a time. I usually do both eyes, but we're gonna do one eye for this video. Here it's called Amor. Keep it going like that. I forgot to do this part, but I'm just gonna grab some regular Scotch tape. An angled brush like this, I'm just gonna use it to kind of blend. Gonna use an angled brush like this. Brown here, it's called Lava. Use that fluffy brush to kind of make that blend. Grab some of the black color. This one is called Infinity. Go back a little bit with the brown. I'm going to be using some of this concealer in the color Classic Ivory. I'm going to put it on top. Or a flatter, bigger Adobe towards the end, and then kind of go halfway. So just like that, more like narrow brush, like getting the yellow, so soul, and I'm doing the other half of it. I'm gonna go in with this Muse. Just gonna go on my teardrop. Okay, so that's eye one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. Okay, so this is what they look right now. So next, my eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Anastasia pomade in color dark brown. They're looking a little rough, but whose eyebrows aren't looking a little rough? So that's pretty much all I do. My eyebrows are already pretty thick, and this is just kind of to shape them a little bit. These hairs are going bonkers. Oh my god. Pro Conceal in the color Ivory. And I'm just gonna go right under and over. I'm gonna use my beauty blender and just kind of lightly tap. Time for foundation. Using the Lancome. I'm gonna put the beauty blender down for a bit. Some of my Clinique foundation. Then I have some of this True Match Loreal. It's in the neutral color. And I'm gonna get a brush. I like to mix my foundation because my skin changes a lot. Next, time for concealer. Pop Conceal. This is a color, it's a green corrector. And then I'm gonna do the ones in my eye. So with those, I'm actually gonna go with the beauty blender. It's a little bit more control. I'm going to contour. I'm gonna use my Anastasia palette that has the colors in the back. I use this pointer brush. I'm gonna be using the Havana color. So just doing a couple of dots like that. Next one, I'm using Java, which is the other opposite side. Do my little fish. And go down my cheekbones. You can get a smaller brush, but I'm just gonna use this for now. Next, I'm gonna go back with that same brush I was using for foundation. So there's less that contour on there. Next, going in an upward circular motion, kind of like a C. me do this one. Next, circular motions going into the hairline. Bronze and blush. So I have my cheekathon palette. I'm going to use Hoola. Get a little bit and put it towards the top. I'm going to use a separate brush for the blush. I have just a Lancome blush brush. And I'm going to use the Coralista, which is the oranger color, I guess, in the palette. Tap it. Next, for my Laura, I'm gonna use my Laura mercier, I don't know, whatever. The translucent powder. It's pretty cool. I've always used this forever and ever since I've used makeup. Put a line, a little bit on my frontal. I'm just gonna use my all-time favorite e.l.f. eyeliner. It looks like this. Cheapest, most easiest tool to use, I swear to God. I've used this since middle school when I started doing my makeup, so. It's a little exaggerated, but oh well. Y'all, I can't believe I did this. Holy crap. Next, I'm going to be using mascara. So go back and get my eyeshadow palette and get that brush that you use with the red, the Adobe. That Muse. After this, I'm just gonna put my lashes on and lipstick. There. Okay. Haven't taken out the translucent part, so I'm just gonna. Let's try this red one. It's an Anastasia. I can't read what the name says. Dang. talking? Who are you? I'm going to make it a little bit deeper maybe with this other dark one I said I had. It's a matte ink. Escapist. Ooh, no, yeah. I think that's a good enough color for me. There you go, attentioners. That is what my look looks like. Obviously, I didn't do my hair, but I'm kind of rocking with this little ponytail I got going on, so I'm just gonna stick with that. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know if you like this look or if I should do something with a different color. But yeah, this is what I have. And yeah, thanks for joining. Till next time.